I'm starting recording now. So I'm creating T2 medium with 30 GB.
You are still not sharing your screen.
Sharing. So I gave name T2 medium, keep pair. Okay, 30 GB. 20 GB also fine, 30 GB also fine. Connecting to command line prompt.
So you have connected Ubuntu Service 22.04, right?
Yes.
Not the 24.04, right?
No.
The second
22.
one, right?
Second one.
Ubuntu.
Second one.
So even I did the same thing yesterday.
Okay.
Confirm changes, that pop-up will come. I did.
Right.
P2 medium I have taken. Okay, you do. I will be also doing. Let's see. Traffic. G. So which all thing you are installing? Same thing, right?
Same. First I'm updating and upgrading.
Okay. Only without sudo, right? apt update and
If
apt
you
upgrade y, right?
if you are in root user without
Root.
doing without giving sudo.
Yeah, I have mentioned sudo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
మనుషులకి జంతువులకి ఇవ్వకూడదని గవర్నమెంట్ నిషేధించింది.
And I'm installing step by step here. Yesterday checked Docker version.
Yeah, yesterday I was talking on mute, I think. Yeah, yesterday I checked and it was saying that Docker is not installed properly.
Okay.
So I tried to reinstall,
Mm.
but still it was not working. So I left it. Is it raining in Hyderabad?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, each and
Here
everything it
also
is
it's raining
warning
from.
access happy. Yeah.
Mhm.
Docker is also installed here.
Yeah. Warning. Access the remote API.
Warning it is fine.
Mm,
Minikube version came. See here, Minikube version is came, right?
mhm.
Minikube version. This
Yes.
one.
Yes, yes, yes. It has come.
So, sorry. Command Docker. Okay, kubectl. First we'll check the Docker images. It will not work that Docker images came. Docker PS. Sorry. So Docker is working here.
You ran all the command, Venkat.
Right.
Sudo minuq start drive.
All commits.
That one also you have.
Just now I
Okay, okay. I'm
run
still
it.
doing.
So I'm going to create
Okay.
on pod also by using our image kubectl run pod docker hub. What about tomorrow.
Still, that project I have not finished. Venkat.
See,
I'll get the time tomorrow only.
pod is created. Docker get
Controller.
po, sorry, docker pods. Something is missing here. Sorry, I am using docker here. kubectl get pods. Just I created pod 1. Docker, sorry, kubectl. If you want to create one more, pod 2 and hyphen image, I am giving this one.
I'm getting.
And latest I am giving. Ship pod 2 also created kubectl get po. 2 images I created, and if you give the docker ps, the containers also to show you. And kubectl get po, the container is running here. The pod 2 container is running. I am changing names here. Pod 3 kind is okay, specifications okay. We need to change image.
What is a command to remove all the lines? So control U you said, right? If by mistake if we did anything.
In file or normally?
No, no, server only.
Control
Like
U.
there are multiple lines added.
Control U. If you
Control
did
U.
anything wrong,
To
control
delete entire lines, huh?
right. Then I am executing this file by using kubectl apply -f pod.yaml. Another pod is created, kubectl get po. Totally now I have 3 pods.
Okay.
Okay, shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay. Once your setup is completed, let me know. Okay.
I'm just trying to. It's very slow. Why it is getting so slow?
It will take
All
at
of a
least
sudden.
10 to 5 minutes for setup.
Yeah, now I can see Docker thing.
Okay.
Docker version is showing for me also.
Okay, fine. I think yesterday you did some wrong, right?
Something happened.
Uh,
Yeah, might be something went wrong.
So today we are going through replica set. What is replica?
It's duplication, right?
Yes,
It's a
it is
same.
copy.
We are replicating.
So if anything
Copy.
happen to the pod or something, it is going to create a replica. So if
Another.
we did in instance, then after docker containers, now we are doing pods. What is the replica? Replica is nothing but a copy of pod here. In docker, copy of container. In instance, copy of instance there. So here replica set is a copy of pod. It will create the multiple copies of same pod. If you leave it one pod, it is going to create automatically a new pod, and is used to create the particular pods at a single unit as a single units. Selector is to select the pod with the same label. Here labels is used to create a particular pod, and selector is used to select the pod with the same label. So labels and selectors is an components here. That components is used to create the particular pod as a single unit. In Jenkins we gave the environment labels, right? Same here also we are selecting the labels and selectors used to select pods with a same labels. Then labels we are giving, that labels here we is using the selector is going to select the pods. And replica set, wait, I will explain this replica set in command line. So vam replica set dot yaml. So here see API version I am giving v1 or apps, anything I am going to give the v1 here. So kind we are creating replica set here. Kind is we are creating replica set, and labels app is equal to Swiggy, name is equal to Swiggy replica set. RS means replica set here. And specifications, how many replicas we are creating here? 3. And selector match labels app is equal to app Swiggy. See, up to here we did yesterday. What is that version we are taking v1, then kind replica set metadata we are giving as labels. We are not giving directly here, we are giving as a labels. So this label is going to take here selector app Swiggy, it is going to take. When app Swiggy is going to take the name, automatically the name also it is going to take the Swiggy RS here to create the pod, right? See metadata labels I am giving app Swiggy and name is
What
equal to
is
Swiggy.
match level?
Which
What
one?
is match level?
Match labels is selecting
That's what.
this one, right? This is going to select this one. The label is going to select the Swiggy here, app Swiggy.
Mhm.
Selector is nothing but matching the labels, right?
Okay.
Wait. Here see, use it to select the pod with the same label. Here also using to select the pod with the same label. This is the same label. Here see, while we are running this one, it is going to check the app Swiggy, the name is Swiggy RS, it is going to take. And template, see, template metadata labels, the template is going to take this one. And containers name is equal to 1 and image is equal to Nginx.
Why
Again
do we need all this thing? Template, Swiggy, and then replicas is fine. Match level. Why we do
okay,
need all
replicas
this
is
thing?
fine, but see here, when we are taking the label. So
where it should, which it will replicate. Okay.
see, here it is
So
taking
which
the
it needs
we
to
are
be replicate, it is asking that match
yeah
level,
match
right?
labels,
Which one it will get copy. So
right?
match labels
When we
we
are
have to copy.
when we
And
created through the auto scaling, we create by using the
uh,
template, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Same here also it work like
Some
that only. Already one template is there in Swiggy. That's Swiggy RS. It is going to take the template and here it is going to create the Swiggy RS pods here, right? So see,
okay, specs we are declaring two times, right?
right,
First specs
specific
we are doing
space.
like a replication.
For one is
Uh,
replicas, one is containers.
and one is containers.
We are
Okay.
giving the multiple
And
sets here.
image में Nagix why? Uh,
Nginx it is going to
uh,
pull
uh,
from
need,
internet.
it's a available,
Right,
right?
right.
I mean it's by
Nginx and Apache servers. Those are Nginx and Apache images. Same like as it work on like OS. For container creation, the
mm,
Nginx and Apache it is working like a OS. See,
okay.
Nginx is a open source software, acts like a web server and reverse proxy load balancer, mail proxying and HTTP cache. It known high speed performance, scale, stability and ability to handle to the traffic loads, and originally created to the it released on, so we know. See, Nginx is a web server. The content, the static content, HTML, CSS, JavaScript images are directly used here. Okay, and reverse proxy, load balancer, HTTP cache, mail proxy all will use in the for by using the Nginx here. So
Mm.
I am going to apply this one kubectl for applying each and everything by using the kubectl apply
Apply. Mm.
-f replica set.
Mm.
Swiggy rs mapping not found for the namespace from replica set .yml, no matches replica set .yml inversion. Wait, then we'll give here I am changing just here apps because of we are creating the apps and version also, right? Here we are taking the app and we need to give version also, but because why I created two here, I gave two here, apps and version 1 also. Here we are taking the labels as a version, that's why it is showing the error here. See, error mapping not found Swiggy rs namespace from replica set, no matches found, kind the replica set in the version v1. The replica set we are using here in the label app, that app we need to give here, that's why I gave the app. It is run here, right?
Mm.
So now kubectl get po. See, now 3 replicas is created here by using the name Swiggy rs. By using the name Swiggy rs, 3 replicas is created here. And see how to get the replicas. kubectl rs. Give me a second. Hello, good morning, welcome. Woke up, good morning. So here replica set get rs here. See, we created the replica set name is swiggy rs, desired 3, current 3, ready 3, and when it is created 2 minutes 14 seconds before, 2 minutes 27 seconds here. So if you'll give them label here, yeah, if you want to describe the replica set here by using swiggy rs, it is going to describe this one. Describe is nothing but it is giving the details. Name is equal to swiggy rs, namespace is equal to default, app is equal to swiggy, labels is equal to swiggy here. See, normally successfully created replica sets 1 2 3 replica sets is created. If you'll check kubectl get pods also, get pod or get po, already we created defaultly 3, now replica sets is created 3 here. And kubectl I am trying to delete pod, and I am giving the pod name this one. The pod is deleted, right? Again check, it is creating, the pod is creating here 4 seconds. If you will delete another pod, it is going to create one more within seconds. See, one pod is deleted, within seconds it is going to create by using the replica here. 7 seconds it is created, 50 seconds before one. First one is 4 minutes 40 seconds, right? If we'll want to scale up and scale down or replicas, the scale up is happened here. How many I gave? 10, totally 10. 1 2 3 4 5, totally 10. Now I am giving 0 here, 0 scale up. Let's check. Only 3 what we created before. I gave 0, only 3 what we created here. Again I am giving 8 here. If you check, 8 is creating, container is going to create inside the pod, and I am going to give again 2 here. Wait, 2, right? See, the 2 pods are created inside the pod, the container is running here. And if you want to check in the app Swiggy how many pods is located here, it is going to check only in the Swiggy. By Swiggy app, it is going to display our pods here. only in the under the Swiggy it is going to check here. And one drawback is we can't roll in and roll out, we can't update the application in the replica set. Okay, in the replica set directly we can't update our application. That is the drawback here. And one more thing is deployment. One more thing is deployment. In the replica set pod we can update the application. In here replica set we can't directly update the application, but in the deployment we can update the application. It's high level Kubernetes objects here we are doing here, and same file we are going to create here. vim deploy dot yml. See, API version kind it is changing deployment and replica sets 3 and Swiggy same I am giving, but what we changed kind is deployment here. Rest of the things are same, only we changed kind here. Before we used the kind is
Pod
I am showing pod. See, cat
and reflect.
pod. We change the pod here and
And
replica
replica
set.
set.
See, replica set we gave the kind replica set. First we used the kind is pod, then after we used the replica set to create the kind here. Then now the kind is deployment. Again we'll do the deployment. Apply -f
F
deploy
broken.
kubectl apply -f deploy dot yml. The deployment is created. So kubectl get po so deployment is created. Before we have two only we give, now it is created this one, the deployment pod this one. So how to check deploy here? kubectl get deploy. See, this is the deploy is created here, right? And describe, delete and get pods. In the deployment set we are going to check how many pods here. See, 3 pods is created under the deployment here. Same scaling and scale up and scale down. And we are see here one option is if you want to modification your deployment, if you want to modify your deployment, it is function is there by edit here. Okay, we are not edit directly vim. Here we are going to edit with Kubernetes kubectl edit deploy here. See, we'll check API version kind deployment and what is created generation 1 label Swiggy rs. I am going to change Swiggy 1 rs here. app is equal to Swiggy, and rest of the things all I'm giving same here.
So through this only we need to change, right, Venkat, not with the VIM.
So again apply.
Hello, Venkat?
So Swiggy RS unchanged
Hello,
here,
Venkat?
and kubectl get deploy. Why it is not change?
Venkat? Not able to listen.
Edit. It is not
Hello, Venkat?
change.
Kartika, am I audible?
Yes, Priyanka.
Okay. He's not able to hear us. Venkat?
At least one of API version kind name is changed. It right. So what I changed here, that I am going to deploy here. Just what I changed, I am going to deploy here. Now kubectl get PO, kubectl get PO, and kubectl get deploy. It is not changed. Okay, it is taking that names only defaultly. We'll check later. So, and if you want to show the match labels here, directly get, so it is going to change the match labels also. App is equal to Swiggy is our match label. The match labels what we gave here, that is the match label it is showing, and I am going to delete all the pods here. Each and every pod I am going to delete here. It will take some couple of minutes. So kubectl get deploy kubectl get po. Which one is deleted? So this 3 is deleted, right? But why it is not deleting? Hello. Hello. I'm audible.
Venkat. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Why it is not deleting? Any idea?
Delete command is not there, right?
See,
Kubectl
here
get
it is already deleted
deleted.
because of replica. We gave the
Oh, it's
replica
keep
sets.
creating, no?
We gave the replica sets for 3, right? That's why it is going to create again
It's
and again.
keep creating.
Yeah. Okay. And infrastructure resources availability. The cops we need to tell the cops. The cops are going to tell the cops tomorrow. Okay. The cops setup is going to create in S3 bucket. Just go through with today after your practice. Just go through Kubernetes. Kubernetes cops documentation. Yeah, here cops operations. See what is cops. Cops is nothing but cops will only help to use to create, destroy, upgrade, and maintain production grading high available Kubernetes cluster, but
The
it will,
multi-container we are creating, right?
yes,
Multi-cluster
Mul-
with automation,
see,
ops, right?
right, multi clusters and multi containers. See, each and everything we are automatic in the Kubernetes. Okay, we'll go with tomorrow. I am planning to do some mock interview and interview questions, interview tips. What we'll do, if you get any
Whatever you
calls now, directly apply that. Share both your share your resumes. I will check. Create DevOps resumes now. Share me. I will check that one. Okay.
okay.
Tomorrow we'll go through interview preparation. Saturday, right?
Yeah.
I am going to delete replica set here. Swiggy replica set. Now we'll check the pods. Now kubectl delete pod Swiggy RS. Match label is not found.
We remove the server, that is fine, right? If we terminate the server.
Fine, but in
So in the on-premise, we have to
in why
do
we
all
are
these steps.
when where we are working in suppose if you are working organization, we are not removing, right? We need to keep like this only.
Hmm.
We need to delete each and everything, like what we
Okay.
unwanted parts are there, we need to delete manually or automation.
Hmm.
I deleted replica set and again it is going to create. I think replica set is need deleted, did not delete properly. Replica set, it is getting some wait, it will take some time to delete the replica set. Already it is deleted, see not found, but it is creating, right? It will take some time. Deployment is there. Okay, then tell me what we'll do for tomorrow. Up to
What is the package start for freshers?
in DevOps,
Venkat for DevOps?
four
Yes.
minimum is 4, maximum is 6 to 8.
Great.
I forgot to tell one thing. One of my student got placed in some company. Wait, his name is Manoj. Got selected in Linux.
Okay. As a fresher or as a experienced?
Fresher. He got placed in Linux. Actually, before he completed course before like 6 months before. Now again he came to my room and practiced for 10 to 15 days. Then he selected.
So you guys did not help for the interviews.
No, no, no. Directly he only that is offline interview,
Hmm.
walk-in interview.
Okay, okay. Nowadays, many companies calling face-to-face interview, right?
Right. See,
What we will do in that case, Venkat?
Axis company. Company name is Axis company, and 3 lakhs package. Starting 3 lakhs they are giving. Performance is good. They will give the hike after a provisional period. Means after 3 months again he is going to get hike. So basically they are giving
Okay.
3 lakhs now as a fresher. After provisional period, after 3 months they will give out up to 4 package. Here only iTech City. And my home hub third block 23 joining, means yesterday he joined. 23 joined. First day he went yesterday. So first day is come, completed good, and they gave some documents to refer. Sorry, they yesterday
He
document
submitted his
submission.
document.
Okay, he called me and he said thanks. This is for because of you only. This is job came, like he's saying. Good achievement it is. Okay, fine. Tomorrow we'll practice for interview.
Okay, Venkat.
Okay. Anything is there to ask, Priyanka, Mahinder? I am thinking in your mind